When disaster strikes, businesses without a recovery plan often face irreversible consequences, with 93% closing within a year after a major data loss. The stakes couldn't be higher, and having a robust strategy is essential. As Matt Mulcahy, Director of Business Development at ProSource, explains, in today's fast-paced digital world, a solid disaster recovery strategy isn't optional. It's survival. Cloud disaster recovery offers scalable, cost-effective solutions that ensure rapid restoration of critical data and applications. By safeguarding data from cyberattacks, natural disasters, and everyday errors, cloud recovery empowers businesses to maintain operations with minimal disruption. To create an effective plan, it's crucial to evaluate risks, prioritize key systems, and regularly test your solutions. Cloud-based recovery outperforms traditional methods in flexibility, recovery speed, and cost efficiency, making it the smart choice for businesses of all sizes. Explore the full guide to learn how cloud disaster recovery can keep your operations resilient. Add us to your Spotify playlist for more insights.